Penguin. Specialty, not suited for battle.
Penguin doesn't have any armor. He was built for Arctic exploration, not row battles.
I see. So then what's he doing here?
That's a good question. Well, who's up for some tigers?
Me!
Me too. Aw, he's asleep.
Aw,
The hippo's sleeping too.
probably because it's so hot.
Man, do these guys do anything but sleep?
Guess not.
I can't believe people would actually pay to see this. I mean, if I just wanted to watch a big hairy animal sleep, I'd just peek into your dad's bedroom.
Ha, ha. Very funny.
Daddy, look! Huh? What's happening to that lion?
Hey, what the heck?
That lion just gave birth to penguins.
Cool.
Whoa! Look what just happened to the giraffe.
No way!
What's going on here?
It's the miracle of life. See? 1 penguin baby, 2 penguin babies, 3. Man, that's gonna be one proud hippo mama.
Are you going to tell him or should
Look at all
I?
those babies.
No, I'll do it.
Penguins are cute. Now I understand why everyone likes the zoo. You get to watch all kinds of animals giving birth to penguins.
Metabee, they're not giving birth. Those are fake animals with penguins inside of them.
What? Fake animals? Oh, now I get it.
Good, so you understand what I'm saying.
Sure. Penguins come from fake animals.
No!
It's just a bunch of penguins on the subway.
Maybe we should go too.
Okay.
So if penguins don't come from fake animals, what are they doing inside them?